Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set up your video facilitator room for a workshop. What I've got here today is a World Cafe template where we've got a World Cafe format set up. So we've got the topic of a World Cafe, we've got the agenda, we've got the rules that we would be displaying to everyone, and we've actually also got 4 collaboration spaces for our team. So topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4. In the video facilitator space, we don't actually have a topic just yet, nor do we have any rooms set up. So I'm just going to update this to say World Cafe. That's the topic of our session. I'm also going to create 4 rooms now for the breakout rooms that I'm going to need in the future. We also want to be able to connect the context of this main room to the agenda. So I'm going to create a shared link, but first of all, I'm going to copy this URL at the top. And I'm going to add this as a new window shared link. And what that does is it actually creates a little shared link button here that if you click on it, it'll actually open up to that slide now. So it just means that from anywhere in the session when you're running it, people will be able to open up the agenda, have a look at what the time frame was, look at the rules, etc. Now we actually want to do the same thing for the sub rooms. So we're going to jump into room 2. I'm going to set this room up to call it topic 1 because that's what's going to be in this space. So topic 1. We're also going to jump into room 1's collaboration space and we're going to copy this URL. We're going to attach this to the shared link. Now, if you are using something other than Google Slides, you could always do that as well. You could connect it to a mural board or a Miro board or whatever collaboration tool you particularly like. I use Google Slides just because it actually seems to be the lowest common denominator where a lot of people actually have access to. So I'm just going through and I'm setting up all the URLs right now and I'm just setting the topics of each room. So we're almost there. So I've got topic 2, the URL is set up. I'm going to call this topic 3. I'm going to copy the URL for topic 3. And last but not least, topic 4. And we are practically ready to go for our World Cafe. So I'm going to hide all these rooms just so that we don't need them. In the World Cafe format, actually, in the rules, the only thing that we're asking participants to use is the Ask for Help button. So I might actually remove all the other controls. I'll move back into the main room. I'm just going to access the administration panel where I've got the demo room. I'm going to remove the controls from everyone. I'll actually remove them from myself as well, just to show you what it will look like. But we've actually set it up so that the only button you can actually do is ask for help now. Ask for help actually creates a little question mark here. But you can imagine that any workshop that you want to set up, you are able to control the permissions that you want to apply yourself. So we're pretty much ready to go. Now, if I'm about to run my workshop, people will be coming into this main lobby if I wanted to bring back the rooms, and we might have found out that we don't actually have quite enough people coming, so we're only going to run 3 rooms now. I can actually change that on the fly, just bring back the 3 topics. People will be able to go into their topic room. They'll be able to click on the shared link, which actually is the room slide. I know this isn't going to open for you because I'm not recording that slide. So what I'm going to do instead, I'm just going to remove this and I'll change this so that it opens as a tab. And that'll allow you to just see what would normally happen, but normally as a window. So this will open as a tab now. I'll just stick that in there. But now this item will allow us to open it up and it'll pop straight up into the slide 1, which is what that collaboration space for that room is. So at the end of each timer, you'll be able to have your teams jump into the next room down, open the collaboration link for that topic, collaborate on the information, and really go from there. So simple and easy on how you run a World Cafe. Now, one of the big important things for a facilitator I believe in is being able to adapt the environment on the fly. So at any point in time, if you wanted to bring that 4th room back, you can. You can actually bring it back. You can also decide that actually, whoops, we made a mistake. We actually needed a 5th room. I'm just going to add the 5th room right now. Everything is managed. You can jump into this room now and set it up exactly as you did the other rooms. So jump in, set up the topics, and you'll be ready to go. Hope you enjoyed that video, and it was quite easy to follow. You can now see how easy it is to set up a really effective workshop where you can connect humans together to have really engaging experiences using VideoFacilitator. We'd love you to give it a try. Join us. Hopefully we'll see you on our platform soon.